I've been asked to do another cooking video, and I'm going to do a cooking video kind of for a friend of mine who sadly is not here anymore. He actually gave me that shovel and he says, John, every time you use it, please think of me. Well, I certainly am thinking of him at the minute. And what I'm going to make is a steak sandwich. Now I've got a bit of fillet steak here. You might think that's a little bit exuberant, but it's for me, and I do like me steak. The thing with fillet steak is there's no waste at all. I'm going to cook it on the shovel, on a propane ring. I'm going to cook it in dripping. It's not going to be healthy, it's going to be bloody good. Right, so we can get the burner to work. It's actually, the burner is for melting tar. It's a tar burner, but it'll do for this. The steak has been out of the fridge for half an hour now, so it's up to room temperature. That's quite important. It won't take long to cook this. We'll cook the steak first, let it rest, and then we'll carry on and do the onions and the mushrooms. Right, we've got some beef dripping, proper gear. Beef dripping stands a lot more heat than oil does, and also it tastes better. The shovel's well seasoned, it's had a fair bit of cooking done on it. Nice and hot. Get the steaks in, get them seared. That's the noise you need. You don't touch them, just leave them alone for at least a minute, then flip them over. Wait here for a minute. Right, they're done, medium rare, let them rest. Some onions to go in there. Nice fresh bread bun, baked this morning. Trying to get a bit of a flash over there, we don't want it literally on fire. There's some mushrooms in there as well. It's a pity you can't smell this because it's really good. I think they're about done. There's enough here for 2 sandwiches really, but I'm a greedy bastard, so I'm just going to have the one. Right, there's only one more thing that we need. It just remains to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and bon appetit, bonny lad. fill. Right then. Yeah. That is simply superb.